Hi everybody and welcome to the iCafeX Music headphones, and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC. So, at first we have to click on this Windows icon on the bottom, and here we have to enter settings. Now we have to go into Bluetooth and devices, and here a device. Now Bluetooth, and now we have to open our case and take both earbuds out of it. Now we have to make sure that our headphones are not turned off. To do so, we have to insert them in our ears and hold our fingers on the touch panels so that they say power on. As you can see, they are here. We have to click on them, and in a second we'll be paired. Now, as you can see, your device is ready to go. That's it. Goodbye.